Hind chew the liver of Hamza? Is it historical myth or fact? After the Battle of Uhud, the body of Sayyiduna Hamza ibn Abdul Muttalib, the uncle of the Prophet, was mutilated by the Quraysh. According to classical Seerah sources, Hind Bint Utbah, wife of Abu Sufyan, extracted his liver and tried to chew it, but could not swallow it. It is narrated, فَمَثَّلَتْ بِهِ وَقَطَعَتْ أُذُنَهُ وَجَدَعَتْ أَنْفَهُ وَشَقَّتْ بَطْنَهُ فَأَخْرَجَتْ كَبِدَهُ فَلَاقَتْهَا فَلَمْ تَسْتَطِعْ أَنْ تَصِيغَهَا فَلَفَظَتْهَا. She mutilated his body, cut off his ear and nose, ripped open his stomach, removed his liver, chewed it, but could not swallow. So she spat it out. This is in Seerat Ibn Hisham, Volume 3, page 41, based on Ibn Ishaq's narrative. Similar narration in Tabaqat Ibn Sa'd, Volume 3. It's not in Sahih Bukhari as it is stated by the Seerah books. In Sahih Bukhari, if we will find the words which are different than the Seerat books, because Seerat books are written in detail and Sahih Bukhari is just a hadith. So in hadith, the narration is like that which I'm going to read out for you. Alhamdulillah, it is in Sahih Bukhari, فَإِذَا هُوَ قَدْ مُسِّلَ بِهِ قَدْ جُدِّئَ أَنْفُهُ وَأُذُنَاهُ. It means that he was mutilated and his nose was cut and his ears were cut. So in Bukhari it is narrated up to here. But as I have told you that historians and Seerat books, it is said that she chewed but could not swallow. So this thing is very important to understand, that she tried her best. So there are some key note for viewers. The incident is not a fabrication or myth, but it is not supported by Sahih Hadith either. And for Seerah, all the Seerah is not supported by Sahih Hadith, because so many things were written by the different scholars, which scholars are of Seerah scholars. So Seerah is a parallel knowledge to the Hadith, but it is not as narrated by the Isnad or by the narrators as it is written in Hadith. So historians like Ibn Hajar, Imam al-Zahabi and An-Nawawi do not reject it, though they cite it as Seerah-based, not Hadith-based. Hence, it is a well-known historical report with weak chains, treated as part of the early Islamic historical memory. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.